Hi, sixth class. Well done last week. This week I've got just a couple of videos to help with division, and I hope it makes it a small bit more clear. So we'll be starting at B, activity B. So here, fencing 78.5 meters in length has to be cut into 0.5 meter strips. How many strips will there be? So what I did for this is I increased both sides by 10, made them 10 times bigger. So we know to make a number bigger, you move the decimal place to the right. So 78.5 becomes 785. And the same over this side, 0.5 moves the decimal place to the right and it becomes 5. So what you're looking at is 785 divided by 5. So we can do that very quickly and simply. So 5 into 7 goes once and 2 left over. 5 into 28 goes 5 times with 3 left over, and put up my 3. 5 into 35 goes 7 times. So 157, and I've come down here to qualify the answer and written 157 strips. Okay, so you can work on with 2 and 3. A carton of cream holds 0.3 litres. How many cartons can be filled from 126 litres? So once again, that's how many trees will be in 1,266. So with the decimal points, they make the numbers look very difficult, but by just increasing both sides by 10 or moving the decimal place to the right, you get a whole number, and it makes it a whole lot easier to understand. Now for C, what they're doing again is dividing a decimal by a decimal, long division. Okay, so the divisor, which is this one, you can't divide a decimal by a decimal, so what you have to do is increase both sides by 10, so to make this divisor a non-decimal number. Okay, so here's one I've done the first one. So it's 7.56 divided by 1.4. So what we do is make it 75.6 divided by 14, and then we can just write the sum as follows: 14 into 75.6. Over here, I've written out multiples of 15 just to give me a guide, because 15 is very near 14, and I know the multiples of 15: 30, 45, 60, 75. So I want to get a number near 75. So I know that 5 15s and 75, so maybe 5 14s will work. And here you can see that 5 14s make 70. So therefore, I can subtract 70 and see if I'm going to get it works. So 14, 5 times 14 is 70. 75 take 70 is 5. And bring down my 6. I'll put up my 5, so it's 0 and 5, and put my decimal place in. Now I've got 5 and 5.6, or 56. Look at it as 56, and I'm looking for how many 14s are in 56. So over here to my multiplication again. 4 times 14 is 56. So I subtract that, and it finishes no remainder. Okay, so I qualify the answer by putting 2 dots down, or 0 0, and I write my answer under it, 5.4. I hope this helps. So that's your work from Monday, B and C. Thank you.